Theory question 7b. The cost of transportation is partly constant and partly varies as the distance covered. The cost is 1025 naira when 220 kilometer is covered and 1345 naira when 300 kilometer is covered. If the distance between Lagos and Kaduna is 982 kilometers, find the cost of transportation. Solution: this problem is from partial variation. As you can see, partly constant and partly varies. So let C equal to cost of transportation. Okay, then D equal to distance. D equal to distance. In partial variation, two constants of variation are introduced. So let A and B equal to constants of variation. Beautiful. So if we interpret this, the first variable is always on the left while you express the second and the two constants on the right hand side. So we have C is partly constant. You have equal to the first constant plus the second constant times the second variable. This is the relationship from partial variation. We are to solve for the two constants A and B. You should note that we are going to have two equations that we are going to solve simultaneously. You can see from this part and from this part. Okay? All right. So when C is equal to 1025 naira, the distance covered is 220 kilometers. You come here now and replace them. So we have 1025 equal to A plus 220B. You call this one equation 1. From the second statement, when the cost C is equal to 1345 naira, the distance covered is 300 kilometer. You come here again and you replace the two values. You have 1345 equal to A plus 300B. Call this one equation 2. Next, you solve the two equations simultaneously. I'm going to use elimination method. So solve using elimination method. Okay, So let's break in the first equation. We have 1025 equal to A plus 220B. That is equation 1. Second equation, 1, 3, 4, 5 equal to A plus 300B as equation 2. This method simply means that out of the two variables, you eliminate or delete any one of your choice and solve for the other one. The one you want to eliminate must have the same coefficients in both equations. So eliminating variable A is easier. Then when the signs are the same, positive positive or negative negative, you subtract. The signs here are positive, so we have to subtract in order to eliminate variable A. So 1025 minus 1345 is minus 320 equal to A minus A is 0. This negative sign will turn this plus to be negative. So we have plus 220b minus 300b. That is minus 80b. In order to get b, divide both sides by minus 80. So B is equal to minus 320 divided by minus 80, and that is 4. Next, we solve for A by replacing B with 4 in any of the equations. I'm going to use equation 1. Equation 1 is 1025 equal to A plus 220B. Replace B with 4. So you have 1025 equal to A plus 220 times 4. Next, we have 1025 equal to A plus 880. Collect like terms by transferring this term to the left hand side. You have 1025 minus 880 equal to A. When you subtract, A is equal to 145. Next, we now establish the relationship between the cost of transportation and distance, which is stated earlier as C equal to A plus BD. We have to replace A and B with their respective values. So this implies C equal to 145 plus 4D. That is the relationship. Then the last part of the question is that we should find the cost when the distance covered is 982 kilometers. So when D is equal to 982 82 kilometers. C is unknown. We have to recall the relationship between the cost and distance. So you have to recall that C is equal to 145 plus 4D. You replace D with this value. So C is equal to 145 plus 4 times 982. If you multiply, C is equal to 145 plus 3928. If you add, the cost becomes 4,073. If we write this in terms of the units of money given here, we're going to have 4,073 naira 0 kobo. That is the cost to cover this distance.